In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change text color in Shopify. First, open Shopify in your browser and head into your admin dashboard. We'll be working inside the theme editor, where visual changes are easy to preview in real time. Make sure you're on the store you want to customize so the changes apply to the right storefront. From the admin sidebar, go to your store's online store area. This is where your themes live and where all design-related settings are organized. You'll see your current theme at the top, along with options to customize how it looks. Next, choose to edit your theme. This opens the theme editor, which splits your screen into a live preview on the right and settings on the left. Any adjustments you make here will display immediately in the preview, so you can judge readability and style as you go. Inside the theme editor, open the settings panel. Think of this area as your global design control center. It's especially helpful when you want consistent colors and typography across your entire site rather than only in a single section. Within settings, select colors. This is where Shopify groups all palette-related controls. You'll find options that influence backgrounds, text, buttons, and accents, so your storefront looks cohesive and on-brand. Choose the color scheme you want to modify. Many themes include multiple schemes like default, inverse, or custom palettes that sections can use independently. Pick the scheme that's currently applied to the parts of your site where you want the text color to change, so the update appears exactly where you expect. Now open the text color control within that scheme. This setting controls the general body text for areas using the selected palette. Some themes also have separate controls for headings or links, so be sure you're editing the correct text type for the look you want. Finally, select a color. You can use the color picker, enter a hex code, or match one of your brand colors. As you try options, watch the live preview to confirm the text remains legible against its background. Aim for strong contrast for accessibility. Darker text on light backgrounds and lighter text on dark backgrounds typically reads best. If your theme supports different sections with different schemes, remember that changing this scheme will affect every section using it, keeping your site consistent. That's it. Your text color is updated through the theme's color settings and scheme. Take a moment to scan key pages in the preview and confirm the color works across headings, body copy, and any areas that use the selected scheme. Thanks for watching, and enjoy styling your Shopify store with a clean, readable look.